Welcome to the Sociable Savvy. I'm Savvy, a social media manager and coach. I want to say thank you so much for your purchase of these templates. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of how to use these templates, how to edit them so you can get the most out of your new purchase.
Once you click the template link, it'll open up to this page. This allows you to use the template and automatically save it into your own Canva account. So there's nothing else you need to do to save it. It will open up, and I'm just showing you some of the different templates we have on this series, which is the Lifestyle series. These edits will all be the same, so don't worry if this isn't your template. So in order to change the text, you click on it once. You can change the sizing of the text. You can also change the style of fonts by going here. Canva has an amazing amount of fonts to choose from. One of my favorite hacks to show you is if you click there, at the top it'll show you all these different themes such as rounded, retro, vintage. It's just a little hack if I'm looking for a specific type, but I don't know what I'm looking for. So if you double click, that gives you the ability to actually change the text. So you can write whatever you want in the template. So I want to show you also, let's say that the quote you want to use is too big for said template. Well, what you can do is you click on the photo twice and it becomes transparent. Then you can take one of the corners and extend it out to make it larger. Then you can use the grid to recenter the image. And then you can change the way the text sits by moving it and then pulling on one of the sides. And that will allow you to use the template optimally for any size text that you want to use it for. Don't forget that some of the templates also include the username tags, where you can put your username to any of your social profiles. You can also change the sizing and style of that font. I like to always have mine be the same font as my brand fonts because I like to stay very consistent on social media.
So there you have it. I hope this tutorial has been incredibly helpful. If you have any other questions, please email me at savvy@sociablesavvy.com. I'll put it below, and have a wonderful rest of your day.